Hello, I'm Patrol Officer Princess Hoagland, and I'm new to the Shangri-La Township Police Department. I graduated 2 years ago from the university with a bachelor's degree in anthropology and a minor in psychology. I took the police examination during my senior year and was recruited into the Police Academy training program shortly after graduation. Community service has been a part of my life since high school. I became a community advocate during my 3rd year at the university and was instrumental in establishing and training residents to become community liaisons who served as go-betweens for residents and local police enforcement. Because I am a person of color who lived in urban areas all my life, I understand the fear and distrust people have of law enforcement who appear to have little to no appreciation for or understanding of cultural nuances. Without that knowledge, officers may become overzealous when responding to calls, resulting in a person who calls in for help being treated as if he or she is the perpetrator of the crime reported. I sympathize with the economically challenged residents in Shangri-La because I share a similar background. I understand that marginalized communities are reluctant to engage with law enforcement, which makes them more vulnerable to experience crime in their neighborhoods. I became a patrol officer in order to work directly with the community, to demonstrate how residents and law enforcement can work together to keep everyone safe and to alleviate their reluctance to reach out to us. We are more than law and order enforcers. We are here to protect and serve the community collaboratively and respectfully. On a not so optimistic note, and to be honest, I am concerned with the attitudes of some of the officers who are supposed to interact and build relationships with the community. A few officers seem to think it's not within their pay grade to act as diplomats. That's the chief's or other higher echelon's responsibility, they say. They think they should be left alone to do their jobs of keeping criminals off the street and folks in line. As a new patrol officer, what influence do I have to change their perspective? So when my supervisor, Patrol Sergeant Scott, asked me to participate on the strategy team for our community-oriented patrols for students, COPS for short, I was so excited. I thought to myself, finally, all the officers will have to be on the same page about how we connect with the community. And we'll all be required to take ongoing diversity trainings to help us become more sensitive to the needs of the community we serve. One of the first things the strategy team was asked to do is survey community members to understand their needs. That makes all the sense in the world to me. It's the basis for creating buy-in and sustainable good practices. And while it will require more of my time, I'm up for the challenge and will participate wholeheartedly, both on and off duty.